My name is Kathleen O'Connor, and I am happy to be a docent at the Evansville Museum of Art, History, and Science. And today I'm going to tell you a little story. We are going to be reviewing 5 paintings from the artist Cornelius Christian Zwaan. That's Z-W-A-A-N. He was born in Amsterdam, and this first painting that we're going to look at is called Fairy Tales. When I look at this whole collection, what I see myself is love, pure, tender love. And as you can see, the mother here is reading fairy tales to 2 young children. And you see a baby bassinet over here, but there's not a baby in it. To continue our story, we now have the baby and 2 siblings. And what comes to mind when I look at this painting, admiration, is pure, genuine love. Love for a newborn baby. This next painting is called Evening Story Hour. And once again, all you see is love. We have a brand new baby, and we've got the siblings, and the mother, as we often do, is multitasking. She's peeling a vegetable in her lap while she's talking to the children. Our next painting in this series is called Appreciative Audience. Once again, our theme of love follows through, but also fun. As you see, the young boy is blowing bubbles and entertaining both his mom and his siblings. And our last and final painting today is called The Reading Lesson. As you can see, the baby has gotten bigger and they're all learning together, but you can also see by the look on their face, it's something they love doing and also they love being together. I would also like to mention that these 5 paintings were gifted to the museum from me, Johnson. Artist, unfortunately, never showed his work when he lived in Amsterdam because he felt a little bit uneasy with all the modernistic art that was coming out at the time. However, he found a market in the United States, and they started purchasing his paintings. So in 1910, he packed up his wife and family and moved to the United States. At that time, he started doing a little bit more portrait work. He even did a portrait of our Indiana governor at the time. Now, I would encourage you to make a drawing of family, friends, people that you love, and submit it to the museum with hashtag Evansville Museum so we can view your work and your idea of love. Thank you so much for your time today.